はい、皆さん、こんにちは。ぶったったです。今日もまずは3 Little Pigs という本です。では今日も頑張っていきましょう。Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. One day, they went out to build their own houses. The first little pig built his house of straw. The second little pig built his house of sticks. The third little pig built his house of bricks. Along came a big bad wolf. He went up to the house of straw. Little pig, let me come in, says the pig. Bad wolf. But the first little pig said, by the hair of my chin, I will not let you in. Then I'll have and I'll blow your house down, says the big bad wolf. And he puffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The big red wolf went up to the house of sticks. Little pig, let me come in, he said. But the second little pig said, by the hair of my chin, I will not let you in. Then I'll hug and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, says the big bad wolf. And he puffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The big bad wolf went up to the house of bricks. Little pig, let me come in, he said. But the third little pig said, by the hair of my chin, I will not let you in. Then I'll huff and I'll blow your house down, says the pig, bad wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. The big bad wolf climbed on top of the house and came down the chimney. Thrash, said was the end of the big bad wolf. はい、さんありがとうございました。今日読んだ本は3 Little Pigs です。皆さんもこの本面白いので読んでみてください。では皆さんバイバイ。